Well, this has to be the most depressing round of trying to pass the evaluation here on TopStep. My 50K funded evaluation just got blown out the water on day 2 of trading. Let's recap this, and I think I'm done. I think I'm done trading with futures and these funded accounts and trading in general, because I suck. Like, this is my 5th eval probably, and I'm always losing. I'm always losing, which is crazy because the first eval I passed in 2 days, and I got my Express account the second day, and then I blew it. But anyway, the longer I take and the more I think about this stuff and trying to trade better, like, it seems like I'm doing worse. I don't know. It's crazy. Yesterday I just did a recap and we had a good day. We shorted, we went long, we got $548. Today, yeah, we blew the account. We blew the account. We hit max daily limit. We went full port. We did everything here, and we did this all in a short time frame. In a couple of minutes, we managed this mess right over here. Let's go in the chart and show you guys what happened here. Thanks for reminding me. So long story short, market pumped up and I was looking to enter at a few levels here. So let's just open up this level right here, and let's go in the 5-second chart so you guys can kind of see it a little bit better. So market obviously was selling off, and I thought I might catch a little dip right over here. So what ended up happening is my trade, and this is the crazy part, my trade went, let's say I bought it right here. I wanted my stop to be somewhere right over here from these previous lows. And, we target whatever. We target some upside. Let's say we target here. Great trade, low risk to reward. And guess what? That trade turned around. I didn't put a stop loss. I just kept increasing the stop loss higher. Then instead of taking a $500-600 loss here, I doubled down. As you can see, I bought 5 more contracts. And here's where I screwed up. Yesterday I set my settings to restrict me with 5 contracts, but I guess I had to lock it in for the day today, which I didn't lock it in. So again, it literally let me go full port, and that didn't help. So now we're 10 contracts in, 5, 10. Look, we took another 5 contracts buyer. I mean, and this shit's just selling off, downstream momentum. I literally bought at a bad time, and I should have really respected that first tight stop loss here, knowing there's more downside risk. Anyway, I ended up selling the 15 contracts right here, and I was down negative 1900. And when you're down negative 1900, that means you only have $100 worth of room for error. So I went full port somewhere here, 50 contracts, took a quick scalp. I pretty much made $1,900 back. I was pretty much at $2,000 back at daily loss. I should have called it there, but then I went in for a trade again, but this time I reduced my size. I went 15 contracts in here, but that stopped me out, so I was out again, quite a bit of money. So then I went again 50 long. I made like $600 back, but I was like still $600 down on the day. And then I went full port right here, thinking, we're getting some green candles. I thought we were gonna go a little higher, and it stopped me out right here. I lost like 700, which was more than negative 2,000 daily loss limit. And that's it. Account closed. Curled back up for one more dip below these lows, and finally kind of started taking off. So again, I was too soon for everything, too soon on the downward trend, too soon trying to go full port, and I just got killed again on my second day of trading. And again, I just took a 3-week break. I try to trade 1 eval a month, because I know you can go crazy, just keep buying resets, and yeah, I mean, I think I'm done with this trading stuff, honestly, because this is so frustrating. And I'm not making any money. I'm just doing a lot of expenses. Granted, if I did honor my 5 contract limit that I had thought I set, maybe this would have saved me. I would have been down, but I wouldn't have blown the account. But yeah, really bearish day here. As you can see, it's still going down. Honestly, I didn't even look at the news or anything. I kind of thought this was going to bounce off this 15-minute cloud, which it did a little bit, but now look, it looks like it's kind of trying to pursue going even further lower. So that's it. I'm done. I'm cooked. And if you have any advice for me, guys, on not to give up, this is the time to write it down, because I'm like 95% done with trading these futures, because I'm just getting cooked every freaking time I jump in on these charts, and I'm losing way more than I'm ever winning. So if this is the last video you guys are watching, it was nice to know ya, and we'll see you.